This multi-tool doesn't just serve one purpose, it does so much more. Equipped with various features, OmniGrip Hammer Wrench becomes a versatile companion for various tasks. Whether you're hammering nails, tightening bolts, or even measuring with the built-in tape measure, OmniGrip Hammer Wrench is the guardian of your toolbox, offering convenience in every swing and turn. It's not just a tool, it's a symphony of multitasking efficiency. Versatility is OmniGrip Hammer Wrench's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to specific projects, it adapts to your diverse needs. The adjustable wrench and interchangeable heads allow you to customize the tool to suit different tasks, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various handy challenges. Whether you're working on a home improvement project, assembling furniture, or fixing things around the house, OmniGrip Hammer Wrench is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of practicality. It's not just a tool, it's an avant-garde solution to your handy versatility. Operation is a breeze with OmniGrip Hammer Wrench. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily switch between functions with minimal effort. The durable construction ensures longevity, making OmniGrip Hammer Wrench a reliable companion for your handy endeavors. It's not just a tool, it's an easy upgrade to a world of multifunctional efficiency. But what about durability? OmniGrip Hammer Wrench doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, sturdy materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying project conditions. The robust features and secure attachments maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your multi-tool remains a reliable companion for the long run. It's not just a tool, it's a durable investment in the efficiency and style of your handy endeavors. Now, let's talk about the experience. OmniGrip Hammer Wrench isn't just a tool, it's a sensory delight. The smooth operation, the versatility in handy tasks, and the overall enhancement of your projects, it's a symphony of modern practicality. The experience isn't just about using a tool, it's about turning every handy task into a harmonious blend of convenience and efficiency. Thanks for watching. That is it for today, guys. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you in the next one.